Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I am the style coach. Today's video is a Sezane unboxing and try on. If you've been following me here for a while, you'll know that a couple of months ago, I think at this stage, I'll link the video up here, I did a Sezane order. I bought 4 items, well I won't give it away, but basically some of the things didn't work out. And so I had to send them back. You can go see why I sent them back there, but I still needed a few things. So I placed another order and I'm going to show you exactly what I've got here. I placed this order the day before they said that they were going to do a little gift with each order. So I think I just missed out on that. I'm kind of hoping they still kind of included it, maybe, fingers crossed. But let's get going, unbox this. And I'm hoping these items are going to work out better than the last ones that I bought. It was only down to sizing. I love the quality, but the sizing was just a little bit off for me last time. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, item number 1 is the Max shirt, which I would have bought in the last video and decided that it was too oversized in the 38 for me. When I sent it back, I realized that the 36 was out of stock, and when I asked them when they might be getting it back in, they said we're not planning on doing that at all. So I was so disappointed because I really liked the shirt. It was just a little bit too oversized. I know some of you liked that look. For me, it was just gone a bit too far in the oversized direction. But lo and behold, surprise, surprise, lucky me, they came back into stock. I've got the 36 here, so I'm really hoping that works out. I love a denim shirt in the wardrobe. I think it's such a versatile piece. There's just so many ways you can wear it. Item number 2, another Max shirt, this time in white. I liked this shirt so much and I was thinking about getting the white, and when I figured out, you know what, the 36 is going to work well, I said I'd go ahead and get the white Max shirt in a 36 because, again, a very versatile piece. I know I'm going to wear that throughout summer, throughout winter, in a million different ways. So very excited to have that. In my last order, I also ordered 2 black pairs of trousers, 1 jeans, 1 of the Damon trousers. Neither of which I was very happy with the fit. They weren't quite right. So I have now ordered another style of the black trousers, cropped wide leg, and these are the Pantalon Droit Corentin. I'm pretty sure it wasn't called something different on the website, and probably my pronunciation is not helping. But I will put that up on the screen for you just so you know exactly what I've ordered. And I got these in the UK 10 or 38 European. I'm hoping these work better because the last time the problem was it was the gaping at the back, which is often a problem for me and trousers. So these ones have belt loops. So I'm hoping with a belt that I will be able to make these work. So let's get going. I'm going to try them on. Let me know what you think. And hopefully I won't have to make any returns this time. So as I suspected, the waist on the trousers are too big. I think the thing I've got to kind of make peace with items from Sezane is that I wouldn't want them any tighter on the hips, trousers wise. And so that means that I have to be okay with getting alterations because I do like the trousers. And it's just a thing that I've noticed, you know, not just with Sezane, but across the board, that it's better to size for your widest part, which is my hips. I do have a narrow waist, and oftentimes that means gaping. Sometimes it's more manageable than others. I have tried my belt on with these, and while it does make them more wearable for now, I would still want to get a little bit of an alteration done. So I'm going to have a good think about whether these stay with me or not. But like I said, I think I just have to make peace with the idea of getting alterations. Let's try another item. I've got to apologise, by the way, the background's a bit messy today. I'm in the office and it's just on the lead up to Christmas, and things are just a little bit hectic right now. But anyway, we'll get this done. So I've put on the Max shirt in the denim, or in other words, the baby blue as they call it. It is still the oversized. It's by no means a fitted shirt. and it fits much better than the 38. So this is now the 36, and I'll just show you. I just put it on with the skirt that I had on earlier today. Let me show you. So I'm very happy with this. I'll show you the Max shirt in white now, just to demonstrate the colours, I suppose, more than anything else, because the size is just the same. Next up, and the final piece, is the Max shirt in white. There is a difference between the denim shirt, the baby blue, and the white shirt. So the button details, these buttons are kind of, it's just simple small plastic ones, and the denim shirt, or the baby blue, is more like a pearl finish detail, and it's a snap button. So for those of you who, you know, I know some of my clients would have difficulty with mobility in their fingers, that a snap button closure might be better off for you than fiddling around with the buttons. So just keep that in mind, that this could be a better option for you, and just to check that out for blouses. The great thing is that these shirts are 100% cotton. They are machine washable at 30 degrees, so we like that. We don't need to be doing hand washing. Who's got time for that? So just putting this shirt on straight away, it is, keep in mind, you know, you put it on, it's oversized. It requires some styling in order for it to work, I think. So when I just put it on, it doesn't look anything. You've got to kind of do the little tuck in or a half tuck, and you got to do your roll up of the sleeves and play around with the styling of it, because for me, it's not about just putting this on and going. I think it requires a little bit more thought, not much, but a little, to make it work. So I'm very happy with the two Max shirts. The trousers I have to give some more thought to, and figure out if I am going to go ahead and get them altered. Maybe I'll try them on with a few different pairs of shoes, see how they work. I can imagine them working with both of these shirts. They could be a very versatile pair of trousers if I go get them altered, so that could be the way to go. Let me know what you think of these items that you've seen today. Have you got anything on order? There's always beautiful things coming in. I was only talking to a friend on the phone today about the clothes shirt, which is absolutely beautiful. I have it in the sage green. Actually, here it is here. People are always asking me where I bought this one. This is a 38, by the way. I find that the shirts are oversized, so go down a size. The blouses are pretty much on point in terms of their sizing, and their knitwear size is large, so go down a size. But that is that's a beautiful blouse. I get a lot of wear out of that. So my friend was looking to buy one of these. She was asking me about the size. I'm pretty sure when I bought this, it was the Chloe shirt, and they changed it to the clothes shirt. Does anybody else remember that? Anyway, we'll leave it there for today. That's it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next week for another video. Take care.